Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic is stress management at workplace. Workplace has become a high stress environment in many organizations cutting across industries. So almost all workplaces they are stress environments today cutting across industries. Factors for stress are high workload. What are the factors for stress? High workload, tight deadlines, high targets, lack of job satisfaction, long working hours, pressure to perform, boss-subordinate relationships with peers causes for getting stress. Stressors are external stressors and internal stressors. External stressors will come from outside. Internal stressors within you. Both you need to balance. Both you need to avoid at any cost. Symptoms of job stress: insomnia, performance dip, drug abuse, loss of mental concentration, anxiety, depression, extreme anger and frustration. Causes of workplace stress, let us see. Lack of job security, unreasonable performance demand, change in the technology, culture at workplace, personal or family problems. Ambiguity, workload, effects of stress at workplace. Low quality work, low productivity, low morale, poor employment relationships, increasing complaints. Techniques of stress relief at workplace. Avoiding pitfalls, learning better communication skills, encourage positive self-talk, breaking projects into smaller steps, and prioritizing tasks, delegate responsibility, consult your employees, don't procrastinate, cultivate a friendly and supportive social climate, set up employee recognition programs, don't overcommit yourself, improve EI, emotional intelligence. EI components in workplace. 1. Self-awareness. 2. Self-management. 3. Social awareness. 4. Relationship management. EI can avoid stress in workplace. Organizational stressors. Task pressure, role pressure, interpersonal pressure, individual stressors. Let us see. 1. Economic problems created by individuals. Tips to combat office stress. 1. Not mixing work time and personal time. My editor used to do that. He mixes personal time and work time. 2. Allotting specific time for visitors. 3. Not to do any office work during lunch time. 4. Having a yoga break rather than coffee break. No coffee break. Have yoga break. 5. Avoiding strangers. 6. Industries should come forward in designing stress-free environment for greater productivity and employee satisfaction. Managing occupational stress. Presently, the life of employees in the organization has become quite stressful. Woes of employees: work pressures, tight schedules of work, prolonged meetings that never seem to end on time, critical bosses, incompetent subordinates. Symptoms of stress: biological, psychological, behavioral stages of stress. Honeymoon stage, fuel crisis stage, hitting the wall stage, chronic disease stage. Sources of stress are organizational and personal. Healthy ways to relax and recharge. Go for a walk, spend time in nature, call a good friend, sweat out tension with a good workout, take a long bath, play with a pet, work in your garden, get a massage, watch a comedy. Stress has become a buzzword in today's world. If a person manages stress instead of letting stress manage a person, a balanced life is possible. Stress should not balance you. You should balance stress. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.